everyone, welcome back to Pably. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically create video content using AI agent. So let's suppose I'm a fitness video content creator and I'm adding all the details of that topic on which I want to generate the video to my Notion. I want that whenever I add a new detail, the content should be automatically generated using AI agent. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI and it should be automatically updated to my database in Notion account. Doing this manually will consume a lot of time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pably Connect. So Pably Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Notion and OpenAI. With the help of Pably Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to add a new detail in my Notion database, the content will be automatically generated using OpenAI and it will be automatically updated to my database. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to automatically create video content using AI agent. For this, I have created this workflow where I have built connection between Notion and OpenAI with the help of Pably Connect. And I am going to add the topic and the tone in this database, and you will see that in no time the video content will be automatically created and added to this database. I am quickly going to add the topic as yoga routine for elders, and then I'm going to enter the tone as motivational. So here I have entered the topic and the tone, and you will see that the video content will be automatically generated. I'm going to refresh this once. And here we can see that this video content has been generated. Think you are too old for yoga, think again, and here is the video content. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically create video content using AI agent. For this, we are going to create automation between Notion and OpenAI with the help of Pably Connect. So this is the landing page of Pably, and you can visit this simply by typing pably.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pably account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pably apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pably applications. I'm going to click on this Pably Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as automatically create video content using AI agent, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created, and here I'm going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to automatically create video content using AI agent, which means whenever I'm going to add a new detail in my Notion database, the content will be automatically generated using OpenAI, which is my AI agent, and it will be added back to my Notion database. Here trigger says when this happens, when I'm going to add a new topic, and then action says do this, then generate the content and then add that to Notion database. So here in my trigger application, I'm quickly going to take it as Notion. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new database item and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Notion. Now here I need to choose my page. Here I have already logged in my Notion account, and that's why I just need to grant away the permissions. Here I have already selected my page or the table which I've created by the name video content, and I'm going to click on this allow access. You can do this too because your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, and here Notion is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter this database ID. If I open my Notion account, this is the database which I have created by the name video content, and I am going to select that only from this database ID drop down. I'm going to enter the topic and the tone quickly so that we get the response in my workflow. I'm quickly going to add the topic as. So here I have written the topic as morning workout motivation and the tone is energetic. Now I want to send this data to my Pabbly Connect workflow, and for that I simply need to click on the save and send test request. I have not entered anything in this content field because I will add the generated content in this field. So I've just added 2 fields and you will see that I'm going to get the response. The topic was morning workout motivation and then the tone was energetic. I have received that response, and as we get this, we can see the connection setup that we have created between Notion and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to add a new detail, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I add a new detail in my Notion database, I want to generate the video content based on that. So here in my action application, I will be taking my AI agent as OpenAI. And then in my action event, I'm going to select it as ChatGPT and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token. Following the help desk given below, I'm going to enter this token and I'm going to click on the hyperlink, and it has taken me towards this API keys page. Now to create a new API token, I simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, I have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all. And then I simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to me, which I need to copy and paste that over here. Now here, as I've already an existing connection, I've created this connection multiple times. I'll go with this save. Here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the AI model and the prompt. So in this drop down, I can find all the AI models. I'm going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. If you do not find your AI model, simply toggle on this button, remove this AI model and enter your own AI model. I'm going to select my AI model, which is GPT-4o Mini, and now I'm going to enter the prompt in a way that I have all the details from this Notion and I want to generate the video content based on this detail. So here I'm going to enter the prompt like. So here I have written the prompt, write a short Instagram reel script under 60 seconds for a personal fitness coach, and then I am going to add the topic and the tone, make it catchy, practical and end with call to action. So here I am going to enter my name of the fitness coaching. So here I have written the prompt, write a short Instagram reel script under 60 seconds for a personal fitness coach, topic and the tone, make it catchy, practical and end with call to action, ABC Fitness, and I've provided my phone number. I am going to enter the topic and the tone, but I am not going to enter this manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from Notion, and when I click on this, I can see this Notion. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Here I am going to enter the topic as morning workout motivation, and then I am going to enter the tone as energetic. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. I have entered all these details, and now I am simply going to click on the save and send test request, and let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. In this message content, I have my video content, opening shot, and then we have the script, complete script, and then we have the conclusion and the call to action. So this is a very nice video content. If you want to add more things, you want to add more details, you can add that to your prompt according to your preference, the content which you want to generate. Now I am going to enter this video content to this database pack, and for that I am going to click on the add action step button. In my action application, I am going to search for Notion, And then in my action event, I'm going to select it as update database item and then click on connect. Now here I have already an existing connection. I'll go with save and then I'm going to select my database as the video content and then I need to enter this database item ID. I'm not going to again enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to enter this using mapping and I have received the response for this database item ID in my Notion response. So I'm going to search for this database item ID. So here I'm going to search for this database item ID and this is the database item ID which I have received in my response and I have mapped that. The topic and the tone are already entered, so I need to enter this content which we have generated. And now I'm simply going to click on save and send test request and you will see I'm going to receive the response. Now let's quickly open my Notion and here it is. We have added this content to my Notion database or updated this table. So now to summarize, we took Notion as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the data from Notion and then we generated a video content on that and then we updated that back to my Notion database. This is how this automation workflow is going to run and here we have successfully created automation between Notion and OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.